How to draw a bumblebee, step by step. Hey everyone, so for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by drawing the first wing of our bumblebee. This will be sideways, and in the center of the page, the left side will look similar to an oval, with the right side coming to a point. Nice! Now on top of this wing, we're going to draw a small line that is curved to help make the top portion of the wing. Now on the right side of everything that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the neck, which will be separating the body from the head. We'll first begin by drawing a line going up and down that will have a lot of sharp edges. Next, we're going to make 3 more sides. This will make it look as if there's a rectangle standing up, but all sides will look similar to what we just made, so the entire rectangle will have sharp edges. Nice, so far we're making great progress. Now to the right of what we just drew, we're going to begin to draw a big circle, which will be the eye of our bumblebee. Now on the inside of the eye that we just drew, we're going to add in 2 more small circles. Now moving a little over to the right, we're going to begin to draw the antenna. The antenna will come in 2 parts. The bottom part that we draw will appear to be drooping. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to learn how to draw a hub. We upload here regularly, so if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. And at the end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in, just in case you want to use it as an example. Well done, so far we've drawn the antenna, the eye, the neck, along with the back wings. Now we're going to begin to draw the head by connecting the neck to the eye. All of the lines that we draw appear to be staticky just to make it appear as if our bumblebee is real. Nice, so far we've drawn the top piece of the head. Now we're not going to draw the bottom piece just yet. For the next step, we're going to begin to draw the first leg of our bumblebee, which will be right below and connected to the neck. And if you would like to add a little bit of detail on the leg of your bumblebee, then you can add in a couple small lines to make it appear as if there are hairs sticking up. Nice! Now if you're all finished, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video so that you can catch up. Now we're going to begin to draw the bottom portion of the head, which will start from the leg that we just drew, then we'll connect it to the antenna on the right side of the page. And if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Now staying on this side, we're going to draw 2 small shapes that will be connected to the head, which will help make the mouth of our bumblebee. Nice, so far I'm really happy with how my drawing's turning out. Now we're going to begin to connect the back wings to the neck to help make the middle portion of the body of our bumblebee. Now we are going to draw 2 more wings. Both of the wings that we draw will be larger than the wings that we previously drew, and we're going to draw these wings on top of the line that we just made together. Now later on in the video, I'm going to come back to these wings and I'm going to add in a couple small lines for detail. But right now, we're going to go underneath the wings and we're going to begin to draw 4 legs because we need to draw these legs before we can finish drawing the body. All of the legs that we draw will be similar to the same size as the first one that we drew underneath of the neck. Now we'll draw the next leg a little bit over to the left. Now in each one of the legs that I've just drawn, I'm going to add in a couple small lines for detail, which will help make it appear as if there are hairs on my bee, just as I previously mentioned earlier on in the video. Now I will draw a small sharp line to connect the back wing and the back leg. Now in between these 2 legs that we previously drew, we're going to begin to draw one more leg. Let's go ahead and draw this, then we'll draw one more. We can use a couple small lines to connect the 3 legs together to help make the bottom portion of the body. Now the last leg that we draw of our Bumblebee today will be right behind the neck. Let's go ahead and draw this together right now. We're almost done, but we're not done just yet. We still have to draw 3 more pieces on the back end. Each of the pieces that we draw will all be connected. If you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists just like yourself can also learn how to draw a Bumblebee, and that we can also continue to grow our YouTube channel together. Now for the last step before we color in our bee, we're going to add in a couple small lines for detail on the top wings, just as I previously mentioned earlier on in today's video. Thanks for watching How to Draw Hub and drawing with me today. If you want me to see your drawing of a bee, then be sure to share with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. And don't forget that at the end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in. Great job today, and I can't wait to draw with you tomorrow. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.